National Electrical Code Article 250.119b addresses conductors of different systems. It states that conductors of different systems operating at over 300 volts shall not occupy the same equipment, cable, bundling, raceway, or other contiguous enclosure unless the installation is suitable for the highest voltage present. This section of the code doesn't explicitly mandate using only one color of wire for a 480-volt 4-wire circuit. However, it implies that conductors of different systems should be easily distinguishable. While the NEC doesn't specifically require it, using different colors for each leg of a 480-volt circuit is a common industry practice. This practice enhances safety and reduces the risk of errors during installation and maintenance activities. Using different colors helps electricians quickly identify each phase of the circuit. It also aids in troubleshooting and prevents accidental connections. For a 480-volt circuit, a common practice is to use brown, orange, and yellow for the three phases, and gray or white for the neutral conductor. Brown conductors are typically green or bare. To ensure safety and clarity, always label each conductor with its voltage and phase identification. Use a permanent marker or labeling machine to clearly mark each wire at both ends and at any intermediate connection points. Labels should include the voltage of the circuit, such as 480 volts, and the phase identification such as A, B, and C. Physically separate conductors of different systems whenever possible. This reduces the risk of accidental contact and prevents interference between systems. If conductors of different systems must be run in the same raceway or enclosure, ensure that the insulation is rated for the highest voltage present. This provides an additional layer of protection against electrical faults. Additional considerations should include checking local codes and regulations for any additional requirements. Local jurisdictions may have specific rules or regulations that supplement the NEC. Always adhere to these local requirements. Always follow safe electrical practices and consult with a qualified electrician for all electrical installations. Working with electrical systems can be dangerous, and it's important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. Firstly, always de-energize the circuit before working on it. Use a voltage tester to verify that the circuit is de-energized before touching any wires or components. Secondly, wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses, gloves, and insulated tools. This will help to protect you from electrical shock and other hazards. Thirdly, never work alone. Always have someone nearby who can assist you in case of an emergency. Fourthly, follow all applicable codes and regulations. This will help to ensure that the installation is safe and compliant. In summary, while the NEC doesn't explicitly require it, industry best practices recommend using different colors of wire for each leg of a 480-volt circuit to prevent confusion and errors. Always label conductors with their voltage and phase identification and keep conductors of different systems physically separated. Always follow safe electrical practices and consult with a qualified electrician for all electrical installations.